be honest. I really don't like going to chain bars and restaurants anymore. But when you have to pee in New York City, you're gonna have to pay for a drink. So we jumped into the first bar we could find. It's the Hard Rock Cafe, which I used to love Hard Rock Cafe. So we're gonna have to go have a drink and do a little content on Hard Rock Cafe. That shouldn't be tough with it's Hard Rock Cafe.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right.
All right, I've been doing a thing. Tell me something you know about the state of Minnesota. Oh, there. All right, he's fixing us up. What do we got? We got a hurricane and a Mai Tai. Mafi's gonna hook us up because he's an expert on the state of Minnesota.
Well, yeah.
Yeah. Maybe not an expert, but
You knew the twins.
that's right. That's right. All right. Can you pull that up? I'm trying to do both here at the same time. We are filming. All right. Cheers. Here's to going to the bathroom. That's the best bathroom hurricane.
I know.
We thought we might have to go change clothes before the theater. It was a urinary emergency. And that is it from the Hard Rock Cafe in Times Square in New York City. Hey, do me a favor, push subscribe. you know the deal. Push subscribe and share and like this and help me grow my account. I am still seeing those subscriptions go up. I think we're over 300 now. Thanks a lot, folks. We'll see you on a new episode. It should be next Tuesday. So we're trying to put out videos on Tuesday for review. Wednesday is Minnesota Travel Guy Speaks. And then on Friday, another review. So that is how we're trying to run things around here. So anyway, push subscribe for me, like, share, do all the things. Thanks.